Okay guys, in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to insert a search box into Excel, which is a really cool feature. So first things we're going to do is we're going to select the cell that where we want to place the search box. Then we're going to go to Developer, we're going to click Insert, and then we're going to click here for Text Box. That allows us to actually just draw our text box here within our cell. Next thing what we want to do is right click and click Properties. We want to link it to a specific cell, and in this case we're going to link it to A2. Once we've pressed that, let's capitalize the A and the 2, and then we're going to press close. Next thing what we're going to do is we're going to turn off design mode. Okay, we want to search within this data here, so what we're going to do is we're going to select our data here, then we're going to go home, and we're going to go to conditional formatting. We're going to select a new rule. We're going to jump down here to use a formula to determine which cells to format, and then we're going to press equals and search bracket, and then what we want to do is actually we want to search from B5 onwards here from cell A2. So what we're going to do is we're going to go $A $2, and then we're going to do comma, and we're going to do $B5 to start searching at the top here. I'm going to close this bracket, another comma, and then to ensure that we don't get anything when there's no result, we're going to do again $A $2, and then we're going to do back arrow forward arrow, and then we do comma comma quote, sorry, apologies, and an end bracket. And then we're going to set the format as a color, just to highlight them in a specific color when we search for it. So we're going to pick yellow in this case, press OK, and then press OK. And then just as I move the cursor up to the cell, and let's search for USA here, we're going to pull out our two USA lines, or let's jump back in and search for Germany. And we're going to pull out our two Germany lines. And that's how we insert a search box into our Excel sheet.